144 minutes a day. Every day, June 30 asks if we're spending them well. Social Media Day on June 30 was created by Mashable in 2010 to recognize social media's growing role in global communication. The holiday has outlasted most of the platforms it originally celebrated: MySpace, Google+, Vine, which is its own kind of commentary. Since the launch of early platforms like 6 Degrees in 1997, it has grown into a massive ecosystem of over 3.5 billion people using the hashtag SMDay to share their lives. Today, the average person spends 144 minutes on social media daily, connecting with friends, consuming news, and occasionally doom scrolling into the void. It shares June 30 with International Asteroid Day and National Meteor Watch Day, a day of things hurtling through space and through your feed. Post something you actually made today and visit nationaltoday.com. What would you do with an extra 144 minutes?